Good day everyone, this is Jormar TV and today sasagutan natin itong problem na ito. Find the reciprocal of 4 minus square root of 15. Pause this video to give yourself a try and when you're ready, keep on watching to reveal the answer. So, pag sinabing reciprocal, ito po yung number na kapag minultiply mo yung uh, number sa kanyang reciprocal, ang sagot po ay 1. So for example, x, ang reciprocal niya ay 1 over x. So, madali nating mahanap lalo na kung ang given ay isang fraction. Babalik tarin mo lang yung numerator and denominator. Kaya naman, sa given na 4 minus square root of 15, dahil wala siyang fraction, gagawin natin siyang 4 minus square root of 15 over 1. Diba? Over 1 yung denominator. Bali, ang reciprocal niya ay 1 over 4 minus square root of 15. Ayan yung kanyang reciprocal. Pero hindi natin pwedeng sagutan na ganito lang, 1 over 4 minus square root of 15 kasi kailangan pa natin i-rationalize yung denominator. So, to do this, no, para ma-rationalize natin denominator, especially there are two terms sa denominator, isa doon ay may radical side, no. Ang gagawin po natin is i-multiply natin both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So yung conjugate ng 4 minus square root of 15 ay 4 plus square root of 15. Bali, papalitan mo lang yung sign or yung symbol na nasa gitna. Minus magiging plus. 4 plus square root of 15. Ayan yung conjugate ng 4 minus square root of 15. Okay? And since we're multiplying the fraction by 1, i-multiply din natin sa 4 plus square root of 15. Okay? Kaya ito ang i-multiply natin both numerator and denominator. And then, we simplify this, no? So, we have 4 plus square root of 15 all over. Gawin natin full method to, no? Kasi i-multiply natin yung 4 minus square root of 15 sa 4 plus square root of 15. So, 4 times 4, no? 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times square root of 15 is 4 square root of 15. Tapos, negative square root of 15 times 4 is negative 4 square root of 15. And then, negative square root of 15 times square root of 15, makakancel out lamang yung square root. Bali, magiging 15 na lang po. So, magiging negative 15. Okay? Ayan po. And then, i-combine natin yung like terms. So, we have 4 square root of 15 minus 4 square root of 15. We just cancel this terms out. Okay? Bali, ang matitira na lang ay 16 minus 15. And we know that 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. Okay? Same numerator pa din, 4 plus square root of 15. No? And 4 plus square root of 15 over 1, dahil ang denominator ay 1, di na kailan isulat to. Okay? Cancel na lang natin to. Bali, matitira na lang po ay 4 plus square root of 15. And this is the answer to this problem. So, therefore, the reciprocal of 4 minus square root of 15 is 4 plus square root of 15. Okay, so this concludes our problem and I hope you learned something. Kung gusto nyo ng problems na kagaya nito, just subscribe to this channel for more videos and follow me also on my TikTok account. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day to all.